In today's video, I'm going to be unboxing some blanks from Circle clothing brand. It is a really cool company where sustainability meets style. It's nice because they're an eco-friendly company and they make eco-conscious choices to help save the planet. So if you are looking for a company that cares about the planet, cares about style, uses organic materials, some recycled materials, and has fast production times, softer finish, environmentally conscious, then look no further because they have some really great options for you to use and to just bring your design ideas to life on their blanks. They have a lot of colors, a lot of styles. They've got men, women, and youth options available. So I'm going to be unboxing and see what they sent to me today. So, oh, and they even have infant. Let's check it out. Hello, Crafty friends. It's Courtney Brickner, the CV behind the Crafty Brick. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm super excited today. I have a package from Circle Clothing, and I'm going to unbox it and show you what's inside. To be honest, I don't even know what they sent me, but I cannot wait to find out. Let's see, open the box. Oh, a package in a package. Let's open up this one. Circle Clothing. What you got for me? Ooh, I see fun colors. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Look at this. Trying not to cut the clothes. Okay. Circle Clothing. Catalog with all of their colors and all of their products here. Look at this. Bright purple. This would be perfect to make for my daughter's volleyball team. I'm going to be making that in orange. And they're soft. These are really, really nice. I would say what it is, but I can't see because I don't have my glasses. Or maybe I'll put my glasses on. Let's see. What is the material? 100% cotton. Nice. It is super duper soft. Ooh, and look at this. A hoodie. But I love the zippers. Things are not going to fall out of the pockets. And I also really like the detail on the arm. That is so nice. And I like the hood. I like the neckline of the hood. This is really cute. Really, really cute. Let's see. Let's try it on. Let's just try it on. Let's see what it looks like. I'm gonna mess up my hair putting this hoodie on, but I want y'all to get the full effect of it. Oh my gosh, I love it. It's so soft and so cute. Ooh, I love this. Zipper pockets. Cute. Ooh, I love that. Okay, what's this one? Oh, we got some sweatpants. Those are cute too. There's so much cuteness in this package. Oh my gosh. Look at this. I love the pockets. It's got two front pockets and then the back pocket. Love the color. So let's see, we got some sweatpants. Then we got some more t-shirts. Oh my gosh, I'm about to have all the blanks. You guys, these are so soft. I love them. And then there's red. You know I love that. Gotta love the red. Look at all these color options and they're all in my size. Super exciting. All right, so I got two kind of off-white. Ooh, look at this. I love this color hoodie. I love it. And it's also got the detail on the arm there. Can you see it? Can you see it? And you saw it on this one. Let me show you. I really like that. It's a little bit different, a little bit fun. And you know what? I have really long arms, like monkey arms, like they go like way, way down. Like when I stand up, they almost touch my knees. Let me show you. They're really, really long. Look. They're like, oh, my knee is right there. They're very, very long arms. So I have a lot of trouble finding shirts that are long enough for my arms, because a lot of times they like come up here. Nobody wants sleeves that are stopping like up their wrist. No, thank you. So if they come down long on my arms, that's a win for me. So I really love this. When I spread my arms out, it doesn't come up. So this is winning for me. If you've got long arms like me, this will be good for you. Look at this pattern. This is another kind of hoodie. So this one doesn't have the zippers. It just has the pocket in the front. But I like this tie-dye pattern. That's super cute. Oh, and it's a set. Look at that. I get the whole thing, the pants and the top. Cute. All right. Maybe I'll put this one on for you too. I'll show you what that one looks like. Oh, a little crop top. Y'all, I'm about to be so cute with all of this. And let's see this. Oh, fun. Oh, and this is a crop top too. Oh my goodness. Okay, I need to put this one on. I'm just gonna put these over my pants here, because I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna give you the full effect. I'm gonna give you the full effect of this whole outfit. Okay, let me take this one off, and I'll show y'all the tie-dye. Messing up my hair again. Oh, but you know what? I'm stuck. I'm stuck on a zipper. It's wide too. I really don't like hoodies a lot of times because I find it hard to put it over my big old head. Okay. Okay, let me show you this. This is cute. Okay, I'm gonna have to flip the angle a little bit so you can see what it looks like. Let's move this out of the way. And we'll come over this way so you can get the full effect. Look at that. Oh, so cute. I love this. My hair is messed up, but I look cute in my Circle brand clothing. You guys, so many things. You're about to see so much made with these. These are perfect. So if you have a clothing brand, you really need to check these out. Super soft, super cute, so many color options, and I do not think you'll be disappointed. So check the link in the description to get more information on it. But I'm kind of feeling myself in this little gray tie-dye. Hope y'all are having a good day. Thank you for tuning in for my unboxing of my Circle brand clothing. And if you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe and to turn on the notifications so that you don't miss anything crafty, because I'm here every week and I appreciate you taking the time to be here with me. You could be doing anything else, but you're choosing to be here with me and watch my video. So I really, 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 really appreciate that. I'll be back next week. Until then, stay crafty, my friends. Bye.